I put this silver teaspoon in a cup of boiling water. The teaspoon was cool when I put it in, and when I touch it now, it's hot. Why is that? It's one of the ways that heat moves, and that's called conduction, and you probably know that. But did you know that conduction is a major source of heat loss in houses? In a typical house in winter, the inside of the studs is warm and the outside is cold, and the wood conducts heat from warm to cold continuously. This is an infrared image of a studded wall. White is hot, red a little cooler than white, and blue is the coldest. You can see where the insulation is between the studs is red. It's warm. You can see the studs are yellow, which is cooler, which indicates that they are conducting heat. And you can see the framing on the top and the left side is conducting even more heat. In this image, taken at night outside in the winter, you can see the scale on the right-hand side. The warmest temperature in the image is 25.1 degrees, and the coldest is minus 40 degrees. And the scale of colors in between represents the numbers in between. You can see the point, the spot where the X is 12.2 degrees. And you can see very clearly the studs and heat loss around the window. The surface area of all that wood conducting heat can be as much as a third of the total surface area of the house and is a source of a lot of heat loss. In net zero energy homes, we try and limit the amount of that heat loss, which is also called thermal bridging. And one technique for doing that is building double-walled houses.
This is it's a 10-inch double wall. We have two 2x4 walls with a 3-inch space.
Why is that better than just having a deeper wall?
Because we don't have any conductive heat loss from the inside to the outside, which is called thermal bridging. The plywood here is actually an example of thermal bridging. We have a piece of plywood here that's going to be warm on the inside, cold on the outside, and it goes from inside to outside. You can't avoid some thermal bridging in a house.
Once built, the only place you really notice the double wall and extra thickness is around windows and doors. This photograph gives you an idea of what it looks like. Framed walls aren't the only part of the house which can lose heat from conductive heat loss. Concrete is a good conductor of heat, and since we include the basement as part of the envelope, we need to insulate it effectively. Rigid foam insulation offers a continuous barrier and can be used in both basement and roof applications. Thank you for watching this video.